Guys, super excited today. Today we're going on a helicopter ride with a Tinder date. So I'm super excited for this because one, I'm wearing my Seek Discomfort sweatshirt and hoodie. Shout out to them for the inspiration of this video. I've watched a ton of their videos. They did something similar and I thought, hey, I have the opportunity with this channel now. Let's try it out and message a bunch of Tinder girls and find out if we are able to set up a helicopter ride over Boston with a random Tinder date. We tried that out, slung out a bunch of messages, and unfortunately it didn't really work out as amazing as we thought. The yes theory guys clearly make it look a lot easier than in person in real life. So slung out a bunch of messages, absolutely whiffed, absolutely blank. So we're meeting it with a good friend of mine, Nicole. Technically we did meet on Tinder, so it kind of counts, but we're gonna go on a helicopter ride over Boston. It's a nice chilly day in Boston. Let's go ahead and let's get driving. Let's get into it. Let's get popped. Picked up Nicole and we're getting ready for the helicopter ride. And how are you feeling?
I'm feeling excited.
All right, we're gonna grill you a little bit about Tinder, because we did meet on Tinder. That's a thing.
Yes.
Okay, so what were your original thoughts about me?
Honestly, I thought you seemed pretty chill. You're very straightforward, which I liked.
Straight to the point, helicopter ride. What do you think?
Oh my god. I was excited. I don't know. We've been talking for a couple weeks. I was like, I guess I trust this person with my life being in a helicopter.
Trustworthy guy here. Yeah.
Somewhat.
You really shouldn't. That's a red flag right there.
Yeah.
Definitely shouldn't. So what made you say yes to this helicopter plan? Never being on a helicopter before. All of us haven't been on a helicopter before.
I don't know. I guess because I've never been on a helicopter before.
Just do it for the YouTube clout. That's what it was.
Oh yeah.
The clout obviously. Of the 1,200 people watching. Maybe we'll hit 1,200 viewers. Maybe we'll hit might hit 100 likes in this video. Yeah. Smash that like button. Smash that like button for more random challenges like this.
More ways to how to kill your Tinder date.
Yes, that was a good idea that Nicole brought up. This is step 1 of how to kill the Tinder date. We'll see if we survive this. Step 2, any ideas? Comment down below. Maybe we'll bring Nicole back. See how it goes.
Oh no.
We'll get some cool B-roll. Let's roll with that. Alright, we just got out. Carl, what are your thoughts?
Incredible. Very incredible. Nicole, anything?
A lot of fun.
A lot of fun.
Views were sick. I guess I have a very weak stomach. Worst smooth ride.
Were you nauseous?
Oh my god, I was struggling.
Were you?
Someone said it was gonna be wicked cold to wear 4 layers. So Carl's wearing 4 layers.
I thought the door was gonna be open for some obscure reason, but it wasn't. It just wasn't.
I guess you can get a picture of your legs dangling off the side.
That's what I was.
It was, so we ride on the golf cart. So cold.
Oh yeah, it was
cold.
freezing.
But inside, it was great.
Yeah.
Were you ever hot at all inside the
Oh, I was sweating the entire time.
I was very uncomfortable for a minute. And this stupid mask is like a ski mask. Fucking dying. But that was nice.
Had a great time.
It was a good time.
Yeah.
Nicole, how do you rate this?
First Tinder date, what would you say?
First Tinder date, 10, but the experience itself, I give it a 9 just because I also felt nauseous towards the
Oh,
end.
really?
Were you ever nauseous, Carl?
No, I was having
you're
a blast,
totally
dude.
fine. The day is not over. You're not done third wheeling yet, Carl.
Fine.
Shift isn't
All right,
over
fine.
yet. So, we're not ending the day. There's this place, it's Wednesday. Really, this place really should sponsor me because Wednesdays, half off at this place, a lot of value at Dave & Buster's. Let's go! Dave & Buster's time. We're here, half off Wednesdays. It's kind of a lot more crowded than we'd like it to be, but play some games, get some cool footage. It's gonna be a great time, right, Nicole? That was the most bullshit fucking placement. I was way too close. Oh, what left?
I know.
Congratulations. Yay!
Oh, you got me over 3, then I won 4.